The easiest way of showing you how to update your upcoming page is by making a quick video tutorial. So when you log on to Squarespace, we're going to scroll down to the Not Linked section and we're going to click the upcoming blog. From there, I'm going to go to whichever one is first and click Edit, and then on the bottom, I'm going to click Duplicate. From there, I can see that this one is truly a duplicate because it says Copy Of. I'm going to erase that whole thing and I'm just going to write Example 1. Copy paste that into the post URL on the second tab. And then we're going to start editing the bottom here. So let's say I'm just going to keep going with the example 1 that we have happening. We're going to make sure that that stays bold. You're going to change out, let's say this is happening on, I don't know, August 12th. This guy is going to be your blurb. And then we're going to change out the URL on the bottom here to be whatever website you guys want people to go to. So for now, we're just going to write Google. And we're going to open in a new window. And you're going to make sure that that stays bolded. Okay, moving on. Oh, before we move on, actually, super important thing to note is that you definitely want to make sure you go line by line like I just did. If you go ahead and erase the whole thing and then like start typing from scratch, you're going to have to make sure all the formatting is exactly the same. So you're going to have to like go in here and change it to heading 3. And then you're going to have to like use a keyboard shortcut to change it to be centered and everything. Too much work. So just make sure that you really do go line by line like we just did. Okay, moving on. We're going to pop over to the 4th one, and this is just going to be the location of your theater. So I'm just going to write New York, New York. There. Okay, back to the first tab. You're going to hit Content, and we're going to go down to here, and we're going to click Published. Okay, we'll get to the date in a second. Hit Save, and then refresh your screen. And when you refresh your screen, you're going to see at the bottom, we have example 1. Go over to the home page, and we're going to see that example 1 is already, moved a little too fast for my computer. Example 1 is already on the home page, and then if I pop over to CT&CO, it is going to show us that it's also here. So it's really cool because I only had to put it in once, but it populated on 2 different places on the website. Now, if you wanted to make sure this August 12th, 2019 show showed up in the middle, in between like July 24th and January 30th, this is a little bit more complicated. Squarespace doesn't have like an easy fix for this yet, unfortunately. How Squarespace does it is that they're going to put your most recent posts first, and then it's going to go down from there. So you can see here the published date on the left. So June 15th, 2019, June 14th. So it's always going to push the most recent to the top. So, so you can see like this show is happening on June 20th, but the published date for the post is June 14th. So if I wanted to make sure my August one is happening in between July 24th and January 30th, I'm gonna pop over here and I'm gonna see that the Jacob's Pillow one, it was published on June 11th at 10:13 a.m. Which means that I can make my example one be published on June 11th at 3:30 p.m. Okay, and then you can see that it's now popping up in between. It's a little weird, I'm not gonna lie, but that's what we have to do right now. So if you have any questions on that, please feel free, shoot me an email, give me a call, and I'll definitely talk you through that again. But hopefully that made sense. Okay, guys, talk to you later.